Fire alarm came. Motherfucking fire truck and shit here. Police here. Woke me up. I couldn't even sleep. Alarm been going off since last night. It's about the third fire truck coming. We gotta go across the street. Damn, we can't go to class. This ain't no nigga shit, man. Hell no, I got an exam. I mean a test today, shit. Police can't even cross the street. I'ma burn. I'm tripping now. This shit crazy. There's some white folks here, man. I ain't never seen no shit like this. Damn. This shit crazy. I'm finna see. I got me a motherfucking seat. Excuse me.